Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. From today, we are going to start a new lesson, patterns. In class 1, we have learned about patterns with shapes. Let's see more about patterns. Objectives: to understand the meaning of repetitive and growing patterns, to apply the understanding in order to extend and create patterns, to learn analyzing a pattern in order to find its unit and nature. Children, see these chairs: green chair, red chair, green chair, red chair. Now children, after this red chair, which chair will come? Yes, here green chair will come. Let's see another example. See this: red ball, green ball, red ball, green ball, red ball. Now after this red ball, which ball will come? Here will come green ball, and after this green ball, again red ball will come. Now children, let's see the first example of chairs. Children, how did we find out the answer green chair? Because chair is repeating again and again. It means anything that repeats itself regularly is called a pattern. In this example also, how did we find out the answer green ball and red ball? Because ball is repeating again and again. It means anything that repeats itself regularly is called a pattern. Here ball is repeating, so ball is the unit of this pattern. The object that repeats itself in a pattern is called the unit of that pattern. In this example, chair is repeating again and again, so the chair is the unit of this pattern. Let's see page number 29. The lesson name is patterns. Question number 1. Extend the following patterns. Extend means make it longer. Question A, B, B, A, B, B. So what will come here in the blank place? Yes, again here will come A. Here B, B. Again here A. Now write down this answer in your textbook. Now question number B. Now like this, complete this pattern. If we observe question number 1, then in question A, B, B is repeating, and in question B, an umbrella is repeating. So children, anything that repeats itself regularly is called a pattern. See question number 5. Identify the patterns in the shapes given below and extend them. A. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So what will come the next? Again here will come triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Now question B. Extend this pattern using this smiley face. Here also, see question also, complete this pattern. Now children, question number 6. What is repeating in question 5A? Here triangle and circle are repeating. What is repeating in question 5B? The smiley face is repeating. In question number 8, what is repeating in question 5C? Here balloon is repeating. So children, the object, these are the objects. The object that repeats itself in a pattern is called the unit of that pattern. Now in this triangle, circle are the unit of this pattern. Here the smiley face is the unit of this pattern, and here balloon is the unit of this pattern. Open page number 30. Question number 9. Find out the unit of each of the following patterns and draw it in the given box. One example has been done for you. Now this is the solved example. Let's see question B. Here is red triangle, blue triangle. So red triangle and blue triangle are repeating. So draw here one red triangle and one blue triangle. Now here one smiley face and two smiley face. Now this is the unit of this pattern. So draw here one smiley face and here two smiley faces. In question D, these two arrows are the unit of this pattern. So draw here two arrows. Let's see question number 10. Extend the following patterns. The same question again. So children, complete question number 10 A, B, C and D in your maths textbook. Page number 31 is for homework. Practice at home. Children, observe this pattern of triangles A, B and C. It is made by using matchsticks. Observe this pattern A. Here one triangle and two triangles are here. Here 1 and 2. Now let's observe pattern B. One triangle, two triangles and three triangles. And in pattern C, three triangles, two triangles and one triangle. Are all these three patterns same? No, these three patterns are not same. So let's see what is the difference in between them. In pattern A, one triangle and two triangles. This is the unit of this pattern. So this one triangle and two triangles is getting repeated. A pattern where the unit repeats itself is called a repetitive pattern. In B, this triangle is getting added and thus forming a growing pattern. A pattern where the unit grows equally each time is called a growing pattern. In C, triangle is getting subtracted and thus forming a shrinking pattern. A pattern where the unit shrinks equally each time is called a shrinking pattern. Children, shrinking means becoming smaller. So A is repetitive pattern, B is growing pattern and C is shrinking pattern. Open page number 33 and solve this page with me in your maths textbook. Question number 1. Extend these growing patterns. Now draw here 4 squares and here 5 squares. Like this solve question B and C. Now see question number 2. Extend the following patterns by using a number line. Now here this is the number line and we have to extend the pattern by adding 2. So here every time we have to add 2 and then we have to extend the pattern. So from here if we add, so it means we need to jump 2 steps. So here 1 and 2 we have reached at 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, like this. Complete this, and here write down plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and then write down here 6, this is 6, 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now B, here every time we need to add 3 with the previous number. So 9 plus 3, 12, then 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, and again write here plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and complete this sequence 0, 3, 6, 9, then 12, 15, 18. Question C, here every time we have to subtract 5. So 15 minus 5, 10, or you can count here 5 also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have reached here at 10, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So write down here minus 5, minus 5, and then complete this sequence 20, 25, 15, 10 and 5. Children, you have learned about patterns. Now build a junk box with the various kinds of waste, broken toys, objects, lutes, clay balls, etc. Share the things you have collected in your family members and create patterns with the things you have collected. Thank you. Take care.